Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The Huawei Mate 40 is said to be one of the most high-profile phones of late 2020, and we now have an idea of what might be two of its main features. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, who is a respected analyst in smartphone field, this is from a report shared on Weibo, a Chinese social network platform. The Huawei Mate 40 range will use a Kirin 1020 chipset. This would be a new top-end chipset from the brand, offering even more power than Kirin 990 chipset found in the Huawei P40 range. This will apparently be a 5nm chipset, making it smaller and more power efficient than the 7nm Kirin 990. Kuo additionally claims the Huawei Mate 40 range will have a free-form camera lens. This is a lens design which can apparently reduce distortion in wide-angle shots. We would of course take all of this with a pinch of salt, but the chipset claim is very believable because Huawei usually debuts a new top-end chipset in its flagship Mate models. The camera claim is more likely to be wrong, but we would still say there's a good chance it will be accurate because Kuo has a good track record and Huawei tends to put a lot of effort into camera improvements. The Huawei Mate 30 and Huawei Mate 30 Pro were announced on September 19, 2019, and the Huawei Mate 20 range landed in October 2018. So as there are no release date rumors yet, we cannot narrow down the launch of a specific day or week, but the Mate 40 range is likely to land in September or October of 2020. However, that's not necessarily when you will be able to buy them. In fact, you might not easily able to buy them at all due to the Huawei ban. Next to nothing is known about Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro yet, and it's no wonder the phone's not likely to launch until late 2020. We have heard a couple of things though. Firstly, they are likely to run Android but without Google Play services, leaving them in a similar situation to the Huawei Mate 30 range. Huawei has built its own operating system named Harmony OS, but has said they are not in any hurry to ditch Android for it. We believe 2020 could be the year that we start seeing in-screen cameras in phones, and we want the Huawei Mate 40 or at least the Huawei Mate 40 Pro to be one of them. It would also help get rid of the notch. We don't know much else about the Huawei Mate 40 range yet, but we would expect more rumors will start rolling in as we get closer to the launch. And we from Tech ET will be sure to cover all the credible rumors, so stay tuned. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.